Hello YouTube, Model Car Guy here, welcome back. Today my dad, he's going to be building this Chevelle Malibu, but I'm going to be doing an unboxing of it. It's a 2-in-1. Back when my dad was a kid, he built this, and he still has it, but it's in parts now. And he's going to rebuild it, he's going to build it up like how he done it, which was this option here. The black with the flames. Not sure what head scoop it's gonna go with, but we'll have to see. It's a scale of 4, 1/24 scale, and there's 92 parts. So here is the body. Now this is like this because the nose, it flips forward. So it's pretty cool. I think first model to do that. A 2-year tub, back of the tires, side pipes, radiator, steering wheel, fire extinguisher. Looks like more tire parts. Cylinder heads, our timing belt, dash, and looks like maybe suspension part. And I guess this is what replaces the fender wheel, and that's part of the front suspension. There's our frame, our massive headers, massive springs. Looks more suspension stuff, license plates, dry shaft or firewall, timing cover that's molded with some type of plate thing. I'm not sure. There's our back seat, some hood scoop parts, our intake, carburetor, transmission, fan, rear end, and our seats. We got another transmission, another rear end, another hood scoop. We got a roll bar, timing cover, and seats. Here's our tires. All one-piece windshield and back glass, and headlights, and it looks like, I think, marker lights. And then we got our grill and our rear bumper piece. We got a bezel, transmission bezel. We got some suspension parts, valve covers, our rims, and all that. A little bit, quite a decent amount on the decals. Got flames, and we got 2 different license plates. One in California, and it says RAT 427, and the other one is just regular license plate from Illinois. And then seat belts, some 427 RAT stuff, and all that. Now onto our directions. So we're starting to get the 427 put together. There's put the transmission on. Put their seats put together. And then putting it into the interior tub along with the dash and the shifter. And then there's the other option. Putting like the roll bar in different seats. And then putting the interior tub in along with the glass to the body. Putting the firewall to the body. Getting their tires put together. And then assembling all this suspension stuff and core support and putting tires on, all that to the motor. Put the frame to the body and drive shaft, getting our taillights and back piece on, and the rear end and springs, and then some stuff to help with the suspension, and looks like a wishbone piece. And then we got our hood scoop options, putting our grill on and headlights. Oh, so that piece makes it roll forward. Then putting the hood on, putting the side pipes on, and then we get the decals. This is like some different options you can go with, choose from. So yeah, well, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the build video. And we'll see you guys next time.